Welcome to 10-pin bowling. If you have echo buttons, please press a button to begin setting up the game. If not, just let me. Great. Please say something like, Player 1 is James.
Player 1 is Bob.
Player number 1 is Bob. Please add another player, say begin game to play a solo match, or say play league game to compete with other virtual Great. Please say something like, Player 2 is James.
Player 2 is Julie.
Player number 2 is Julie. Please add another player, or say begin game to get started.
Begin game.
Okay, who is ready for a little pin action? Bob will begin. Bob starting off the first frame. Here goes the roll. Slight shift to the left. That knocks down 7 pins. Still standing are the 6, 9 and 10. Press your button to roll the next ball. Bob trying to pick up the spare in frame 1. Bob misses knocking down any more pins. Scores 7 after 1 frames. Okay, now it's time for Julie. Press your button to bowl. Julie starting off the first frame. Here goes the roll. Right down the middle. Strike. Okay, now it's time for Bob. Press your button to bowl. Bob bowling frame 2 with a score of 7. Here goes the roll. Slight shift to the left. That knocks down 7 pins. Still standing are the 6, 9 and 10. Press your button to roll the next ball. Sorry, Julie, it's not your turn. Please let player 1 have their turn. Bob trying to pick up the spare in frame 2. Bob misses knocking down any more pins. Score is 14 after 2 frames.